Good morning, guys. It's already, I think, 11 a.m. Don't know the exact time, pero 11 na kasi nagising ako ng 10. Wala mo yan. Linis lang ako ngayong morning, tapos magluluto ako ng rice. I'm using the, itong pocket tray na camera. So far, so good naman kasi mas convenient siyang, ewan ko, kasi siguro bago. Kaya nasabi kong mas convenient kasi ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. Tapos hindi na ako alam mo kasi 'di ba pag pag walang automatic na ganun ganyan. Basta yung left and right, ginagano mo pa yung camera. Ito kasi para may button siya. Para kung saan ang gusto mong kineme. So, yun. Parang mas madali siyang i-set up. Kasi usually ang gamit ko yung ano ba to? Yung camera 360, yung 4K. Tapos yung camera ko yung phone. Yun, pero mas convenient to. So yun, kasi iaan mo lang siya. Yung parang hindi mo na kailangan i-check sa likod pa yung yung 'di ba yung monitor niya. Hindi mo na kailangan i-check sa likod kasi ito pwede mo nang sa face mo, or kung kailangan mo sa likod, itatap mo lang siya or pipindutin mo lang siya ng 3 times para doon na siya sa kabila ulit, 'di ba? Mas convenient. Yun, magsasaing lang me, and then mag-iisip ako ng ulam kes. Kasi wala akong ulam. Pero yung asawa ko meron kasi nagluto ko ng munggo for him. Yep. So, no rice for you?
Nope.
1 cup of rice. Cup. Minsan, itong tubig ng rice, lalagay siya sa halangan. Kasi ito yung pandilig. Pero hindi siya lalagay sa halangan. Tapos halangan. Kaya siya sa CR. Dalawa sa living area. Nokia. Unboxing ulit a kiss. Bagong parcel na naman ho. Pero ito ay kasi kailangan to sa jusawa ko to. Kailangan nyo kasi ito. Kaya nyo pinili. But, ang kanyang binili, cellphone, Nokia Kineme, big keypad. How much did you bought for this?
16.
Yes, 16. This one is $16. Keypad, phone. It's Nokia. This is the phone. It consists of yung $16 mo. Ito ang kanyang makuha. Charger na flat. Ako anong tawag dito sa charger niya. Battery. Yun lang. Can I gagamitin niya kasi to sa spare SIM card. Australian SIM card.
Just for SMSs.
Yeah. So it's working.
Is it USB-C charge or?
It's flat. Not C. The
Okay.
what's that called? I don't know. See that? It's working for $16. Meron ka ng phone. Pang text and call siya. Diba? Maganda na rin. Go. Hello? Charing.
Do you remember how to do a voice call?
Yeah, it's good, babe. Another parcel for today. Okay. Yun. Okay. Update sa ating niluluto. Anong oras na? It's time check yes. 1:07. Nagluluto pa lang ako ng ulam ko. Anyway. Malam. Beans. Ano to eh? Baguio beans. Hindi siya sitaw. Palalambutin ko lang yung Baguio beans. Then go na. Dahil gutom na ang person. Alauna na ho. Go. Wait. Okay na tong gulay skin natin. Yun. Ganang gulay. Ginisang gulay na mayroong pork. And this is my rice, red rice. Mas marami akong kumain pag tanghali, kasi pag gabi hindi na ako masyadong kumakain. Ano na lang, snack pag nakikrave lang, ganon. So yon, naghahain na mi. Do you want my food? Lila? Okay. Piliin mo lang. So, yan. Kaon pa. Kaon. Here's my food. That's my food. Look at that. So, let's eat. Go. Kain muna mi. Go. Let's try new parcel again today. So yeah, unbox ulit natin siya. For sure, hindi naman sa akin to, sa aking Juzawa train. Hindi pa stuff over. Yeah, for sure, it's my stuff. Yeah, I knew it. Bike stuff. It's a lalagyanan ng water bottle sa bike. Yun, yun ang mga bet nito pagbibilhin. Ito lang, go. We're gonna run this evening. Always don't get up early, so.
Because I have a shitty sleep.
See you later, alligator. Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Look. Babe. Oh my gosh. My running is, I did dismiss it.
What?
My watch.
You turned it off?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna run first because I'm taking video.
Okay.
Look at my. You see that?
It's like propelling you along like a gyro ball.
I'm gonna fly.
You've got surges that align with.
I'm gonna run again. Okay.
All the way up the hill to the road.
Guys, hi guys. We just got back from our night run. And it's hot. You know, 70%. It's 70% humidity. 70% humidity. And it's 30 degrees.
Is it 30 degrees, is it?
Yeah.
That's why we're sweating like a bastard.
Just look at my face, it's red, like my imperfection is out. Out. Because I stopped my
5.31.
5K. 5.31K. It was good.
Yeah.
And dinner time.
And 20k cycle tomorrow morning.
I'm not gonna say it now because maybe not. Maybe we're not gonna able to cycle. Indoor maybe. Okay.
This is going to get loud. Okay with loud?
It's all yours. This is the dinner. You guys, it's smoothie. Okay na din.
How is it?
Very light lang siya sa ano, sa chan. It's good.
Wow.
It's yum. That's it, guys. Ito lang ang dinner at saka magluluto lang yan ng popcorn. Yun ang dinner namin tonight. So, that's it for my video. So, ito nga pala yung ginamit ko. Yung camera pala. Ito yung ginamit ko today. So, pag in-upload ko na to, sa nilang malalaman kung maganda talaga ba siya ang ating new camera. So, I'm so happy na maganda yung camera. So far, so good naman yung camera na itong Pocket 3. So, yun lang. Bye! See you on my next vlog. Babush! Pshing!